Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher. Now to learn and teach the mathematics, and this is class 5th, chapter number 9, friends, exercise 28. So in this video session, we will recollect the points. We will recollect the same questions that we had discussed many days ago. So friends, that means this is the revision purpose. This video is for revision. So friends, get ready to learn once again chapter 9, exercise 28. So friends, the name of this chapter is multiplication and division of decimals. First, before solving a couple of questions, let us figure out some of the terms like decimals, friends. Decimal. So friends, actually I know you all are aware about decimals. The numbers which can be expressed at the decimal form like 2.5. This is read as 2.5 or 2 decimal 5. 6.001, 6 decimal 001. So all these two examples, these are also known as the decimal fraction or only decimal. Now, and in this exercise we will learn once again how to multiply between two decimals, okay, and how to multiply with 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay friends, so let's get started. Now the exercise 28. Now friends, see, question number 1 says multiply, and we have taken sub questions A and L. So question 1 carries lots of questions. Only we will and we have taken 2 sub questions. Now see friends, once actually we are going to revise. See friends, here is the 0.2 multiplied by 4. Okay, now see the solution for A. So friends, 0.2 multiplied by it, first we have to multiply their numerical value. Only multiply by numerical value. At least 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, now 2 multiplied by 4, this is 8. Now see friends, how many digits after decimal? So here is the 0.2. This one number carries only one decimal. So in this decimal numbers, after this decimal there is only one digit. After multiplying 2 and 4, friends, we have to place the decimal counting one digit from right hand side. So here friends, 8, this is only one digit, so here place the decimal, and this is the 0 for a standard form. So 0.8 friends, this is answer. I hope you will understand. Now see friends, next L. This is the huge number 4.028 multiplied by 234, friends. One number is decimal and another is the whole number or the natural number, and we have to multiply these two numbers. First friends, we have to multiply their numerical value, means avoiding the decimal. Then we will apply the decimal after counting the digits, whatever the digits after decimal. Okay, now see friends, in order to multiply, first of all multiply this 4.028 multiply by 2, 3, 4. Now see friends, 8. Now see friends, first we have to multiply the numerical value 4028 with 234, and we will get here friends finally once 10, 100,000, 10,000, like 9,42,552. Now here retain over here. Now see the number of decimals after digit here. Sorry, number of digits after decimal. So this is 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, because this is the decimals with 3 decimal places. The 3 digits. Now count right hand side, from right hand side 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3 and place the decimal. So this is final answer, friends. Now see friends, come to the second question. Second question says, this is answer, fill in the blanks. So we have taken A and F. Okay, now see 2.34 multiplied by 10. It's very simple question. First we have to multiply their numerical value, friends. 234 multiplied by 10 means first 234 is multiplied by 10 means 234 1 ja 234 and then 1 times 0. Okay friends, so after multiplying 234 by 10 we will get, and we got 340. Now see friends, number of here the decimal and count number of digits after. How many digits after decimal? There are 2 digits after decimal. So this is why we have to place in it the decimal. We have to place the decimal in it. Count after counting 2 digits from right hand side. Here is the 1 and 2. So this is your answer, friends. 23.40, or either we can say 23.4. Okay. Now see, come to the F. F number 8.7 multiplied by 100, friends. Now we have to multiply first 87 multiplied by 100. 87 1 ja 87, 2 times 0, and see friends, number of digits after decimal. So here there is only 1 digit after decimal. So this is why we have to place the decimal after counting 1 digit from right hand side here. So 87 870. This is your answer, friend, because of decimal after 0 after decimal. If there is a 0 after decimal, there is no value, means this 870. This is your answer, friends. I hope you will understand. Now see the next question, friends. Now see friends, question number 3, last question. Write the products, and we have taken only 1 sub questions. If once understand, then you can solve the easy all the sub questions of question number 3. So here friends, 0.00045 multiplied by 100,000 means 5 times 1 10 lakhs 1 lakh. First friends, we have to multiply. First multiply, then place the decimal after counting the digit. Here friends, here is the only 45. If we remove this decimal, friends, suppose if we remove this decimal, now we got we will get 0.00045 multiply by, friends, 1 lakh. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5 50. Now see friends, you know friends, the numbers carrying zeros before the number, the number carrying 0 before the number, so the 0 cannot influence the number, means only this is nothing but only 45. So 45 1 friends, 45, how many zeros? 5 times 1 2 3 4 5. And now count, friends, number of digits after decimal. So after decimal, number of digits 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 digits. Now count right hand side, from right hand side 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, friends. Here is the, so the finally we got answer as 45. So I hope you will understand. Now see friends, there is one question as question number 8 from exercise 14, because one student has a confusion regarding this question. So this is why we are going to solve. So see friends, and the student's name is Ankit from class 5. He has raised the question. It's question number 8. So look at the friends, this is from exercise 14 class 5th dot questions. Question number 8. Consider the fractions 2 by 5, 4 by 15, 3 by 5, 7 by 10 and 13 by 10. Now fill in the blanks. So A, the greatest fractions. A is the greatest fraction and B, the smallest fraction. So friends, we have to collect from this given fractions the smallest. What is the smallest? What is the smallest fraction from this given fractions, and what is the greatest fraction from this given? Now see friends, now first write the solution. Now given fractions are write the given fractions are is equal to 5 2 by 5 comma 4 by 15 comma 3 by 5 comma 7 by 10 comma 13 by 10. Okay friends, first friends, it's very difficult task to find out among this fraction which is the greatest and which is the least or the smallest. So in order to recognize which fractions is the greatest and which is the smallest, first we have to make the divisor, we have to make as an equal divisor for every fraction. Okay friends, now this is why we are going to make every fractions carries same denominator. We will make first every fraction, if the every fractions we will make all the fractions with the same denominators, then we can easily judge which fractions is greatest, which fraction is greatest or which is the smallest. Now see friends, first take the LCM of all denominators. If we take the LCM of all denominators, now see the LCM 5 15, once again 5 10 and 10. Now see friends, LCM. Now we can apply the 5 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 2 ja. Okay, once again 2 3 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 1, and then 3 3 1 ja, 1 1 and 1. Now 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 friends, means the LCM, we can write the LCM, but our motto is not to find the LCM. Our motto is find out the least fraction and the smallest, sorry, the greatest fraction and the smallest fraction. This is why we are going to take we took the LCM, and the LCM of 5 15 5 10 and 10 is equal to friends 5 multiplied by 2 10 and 10 multiplied by 3 30 friends. Now we are going to make every fractions as denominator friends 30. Okay, now for 2 by 5, for 2 by 5, 2 by 5 can be written as, write the 30 friends, then divide this 30 by 5 and we will get 6. 6 multiplied by 2, 6 to the 12 friends. Okay, now for 4 by 15 friends, write the 4 by 15. Now see friends, write the 30 as a okay fraction. Now see, divide this 30 by 15 and we will get 15 to the 32. 2 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 8, this is 8. Now see friends, for 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5 can be written as is equal to, this is the equal denominator as 30. Now divide this 30 by 5, 5 6 ja 30, 6 friends, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 3 ja 18. Now for 7 by 10 friends, 7 by 10. Now write the same denominators, okay, 30, and divide this 30 by 10 and we will get 3, and 3 multiplied by 7, 3 7 ja 21. Now for 13 by the fraction 13 by 10 friends, write the denominator same 30. Now divide 30 by 10 friends and we will get 3, 3 multiplied by 13, 3 3 ja 13, 3 ja 39. And now look at the friends, all fractions having same denominators, means each and every fractions having same denominator as 30, then we can easily find out the smallest fraction and the greatest fraction. And now see friends, how we can find, because we have already changed all the fractions with the same denominator as 30. Now see, we have to see friends, we have to observe the numerators, and which numerator is greater means the greater fraction, and which numerator is less means the least fraction. Now see friends, first of all find look at the greatest numerator. So the greatest numerator is here friends 39, and other than this friends, all numerators are below than 39 friends. So we can say 39 by 30 is the greatest fraction, and this is equal to 30 by 10. Hence we can say 30 by 10 is the greatest friends. Greatest means 30 by 10. first answer. We got the first answer as the greatest fraction 30 by 10. Now see the smallest fraction, means we have to see the smallest numerator. Friends, here is the 12, 8, this is 21st. Now see friends, this is 8. 8 is the least numerator. So least numerator carries the smallest fraction. So 8 by 30 is the smallest fraction. Okay, and this is equal to 4 by 15, because we will make the answer as from the question, according to the question. So 4 by 5 is the smallest fraction, friends. So the answer is 4 by 15. Sorry, 4 by 15 is the smallest fraction. So the smallest fraction, friends, answer is 13 by 10, and the answer for B, the smallest fraction, 4 by 15. So friends, I hope you will understand. So 4 by 15 is the answer for B, friends. 4 by 15. Now friends, you please solve all the questions of exercise, friends, 28. Okay, because this is the dot questions for the candidate. This is the dot question for the students Ankit, because Ankit raised the questions, question number 8 from exercise 14. This is why we have solved here. And your today's homework, friends, revise exercise 28, all the questions, frame all the questions. Okay, if you have any doubt, confusion, once again please ask me, contact me. Have a nice day.